I am currently in Jamaica on vacation. We're about to make a 2-ingredient smoothie that's going to aid in a plethora of health benefits. And I am using my Ninja personal blender. So let's get into it, you all. So we're staying at an Airbnb in Ocho Jamaica, and we're using guava to make our smoothie from the guava tree that is sitting right outside the backyard of the house that we're staying in, you all. If you guys don't know, guava have a plethora of health benefits. Not only the guava, but guava leaf, you all. Check out this caterpillar. Oh my God, how beautiful. Yeah, so we went outside and we are picking up the guava that fell from the tree onto the ground. And as you can see on the screen right now, there are a plethora of health benefits that you can get from guava, you all. Boost your immune system, help with your nails and your skin, lowering your blood pressure, helping with menstrual cramps, and just a plethora of health benefits. So here are 2 guavas that we're going to chop up and put into our smoothie. And if you guys are interested in getting this blender, I will leave the link below. But I absolutely love guava. Anyone who grew up on a Caribbean island absolutely love guava. And as mentioned earlier, there are a plethora of health benefits that you can get from guava. So I am going to chop it up, put it in a smoothie. Additionally, I am going to add a scoop of my turmeric with beetroot, black pepper, and ginger, you all. This is available on Amazon. The link will be below as well. You can purchase it on Amazon, scan on that, or you can purchase it on my website. And I'm going to use coconut water. So when in Jamaica, it's all about the coconut water, you all. In Jamaica, we say coconut water wash off your heart. So yeah, I'm gonna wash off my heart, and then I'm gonna use the turmeric and the beetroot mix for lower my blood pressure, boost my blood flow, blood circulation. Then I'm going to zap it all with my personal blender. I'm gonna put a link below as well. I literally travel with this baby from the USA to Jamaica. I travel with my blender and my turmeric. Then I went outside and picked my guava, and babe want to give it a try. It is actually really good. He want to give it a try. It's actually pretty good. But that's how I'm going to get through my morning. It is my breakfast. It's going to boost my energy, boost my stamina, help with blood flow and blood circulation, and it's going to help to keep me fuller longer. So it is about 8 a.m. in the morning, and I'm not going to have lunch until 12 or 1 o'clock or so. So just enjoying the beautiful island of Jamaica, using the natural resources that I have to make my smoothie, and showing you guys that you can just grab 1 or 2 natural ingredients, you all, to make you a healthy smoothie. Blended it within some water and drink it, and you have a healthy smoothie. While traveling, I know it's a little bit harder to make smoothies, but especially if you're traveling to an island or a place like Jamaica where you can get fresh fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts, and it's sometimes hard to travel and be healthy, but I'm just trying to show you guys a decent way of doing that. My name is Peter Gay Barrett. I specialize in teaching people how to make a healthy smoothie to reduce chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. If you're not already, follow, like, share, and subscribe.